Hello, my name is Antonio DeCuna, and this is a homemade lung capacity test. So basically how this is going to work is I'm going to measure my vital capacity, which is the amount of air I'm capable of producing after maximum inhalation. I'm going to measure this by doing a maximum inhale, and then doing a maximum exhale into this tube, which is going to be inserted into this inverted 1.89 liter milk carton, which is going to be inverted into this tank of water. So the amount of air I exhale is going to be captured in this milk carton, and then depending on the volume of water left in this milk carton, I can calculate my vital capacity, the amount of air I exhaled. And the physiology behind this is that when I exhale, so let's start with the inhale. When I inhale, I am stimulating muscles in my chest wall and my diaphragm, and then those body parts, the diaphragm goes down, the chest wall goes outwards, making the volume of the lungs expand, and by Boyle's law, an increase in volume is a decrease in pressure. So my lungs expand, the pressure in my lungs decreases below that in the atmosphere around me, and therefore air, which goes from high to low pressure, goes into my lungs, and that's inhalation. And then when the nerve stimulation pauses, the diaphragm, not the chest wall and the diaphragm both relax. They come back inwards, and by Boyle's law, that decreases the volume of my lungs, increasing pressure, and therefore forcing air to go back out, which is exhalation. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do maximum inhalation, stimulate my muscles, and then relax for maximum inhalation, and then maybe use some accessory muscles to force the weight of the air out of there to get a full vital capacity. So here goes. I'm inverting this milk carton into the tank of water. I'm going to carefully uncork this so no air gets out to get an accurate measurement. Alright, cool. Without trying to crumple this at all. Alright, now I'm going to insert this tube. And with more advanced tools, more advanced techniques, you can use this technique to detect pulmonary diseases or conditions or abnormalities, and so it's a valuable diagnostic tool. And so this tube is now inserted into this inverted milk carton. It's once again full of water. And I'm going to take a max inhalation. So alright, so let's see how much air I pushed in there. So I'm taking the tube out. I'm going to re-cork this so no water falls out when I raise this milk carton out of the bowl. Oh man, kind of a mess here. Alright, so that is the volume of air I exhaled there. And then now we can measure that. So move this, pour this into here. That is exactly 2 cups. That is amazing. And since we're using a dumb American system, I have to convert 2 cups to liters, so I'll be right back. Actually, wait, no, I don't. It says cups on the side of here. Yeah, this is... Oh no, never mind. One sec. So, I gotta find what is 2 cups in liters. So 2 cups is 0.473 liters. Cool. And then I can calculate that this thing originally held 1.89 liters of water. And so it was 1.89. And it had at the end, after I exhaled all the air I could, it had 0.47 liters. 0.473 liters. And so the amount of air I exhaled is the difference between the original amount of water and the remaining amount of water, which would be 1.89 minus 0.473, or 1.417 liters of water, which comes out to about 1,417 milliliters. And that is my vital capacity, the maximum amount of exhalation I can possibly do based on my lung capacity. And this experiment can be performed with tidal volume, inspiratory capacity, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, whatever amounts or capacities, which is the sum of amounts. I can exhale or inhale can be measured by this rudimentary test, and it's quite fun, quite messy.